What if everything we think we know about our world is wrong? What if Earth is not a globe drifting through space, but a flat surface stretching endlessly beneath our feet? For most of human history, the ground beneath us felt steady, flat, and obvious. But the moment people began to question what seemed obvious, they opened the door to one of the biggest discoveries in human thought. And that is what makes this idea so powerful. Because when we walk through a city, stand on a beach, or look across an open field, the Earth does not feel like a giant sphere. It feels flat. It feels simple. It feels true. But ancient observers noticed something strange. The sun cast different shadows in different places. The stars shifted as travelers moved. And little by little, the sky began to whisper a dangerous idea. Maybe the Earth was not flat at all. If Earth were truly flat, distant objects should remain visible much longer across the surface. But that is not what we see. Ships disappear bottom first beyond the horizon, as if they are slowly sinking behind a curve we cannot feel, but can clearly observe. But the horizon is only the beginning. Because the moment we ask how a flat Earth would handle gravity, the entire idea starts to break apart. Gravity is not just the reason things fall. It is the reason oceans stay in place, the atmosphere remains wrapped around the planet, and air pressure changes with altitude. So if Earth were flat, where exactly would everything fall? How would water stay stable? How would the air remain layered above a disc-shaped world without behaving in completely different ways? And the truth is even more interesting than a simple globe. Earth is not a perfect sphere. It is slightly wider around the equator and slightly flattened at the poles, a shape scientists call an oblate spheroid. But shape is only one problem. Because if Earth were flat, day and night would become a much stranger mystery. On a rotating globe, the logic is clear. One side faces the sun, while the other turns away. That is why sunrise, sunset, and time zones differ across the world. But on a flat Earth, this becomes incredibly difficult to explain. Why would shadows change from one location to another at the same moment? Why would one city sleep while another is already in broad daylight? Then comes one of the most beautiful clues of all, the lunar eclipse. When Earth passes between the sun and the moon, it casts a shadow across the lunar surface. And that shadow is round, consistently, repeatedly, elegantly round. So why does the flat Earth idea still attract people? Because human beings do not only trust evidence, we trust experience. And experience tells us the ground is still, the horizon is straight, and the world feels simpler than it really is. That is exactly why science matters. It teaches us to measure what we cannot directly feel. The shape of Earth is not guessed from a single photo or a single theory. It is measured through shadows, motion, eclipses, navigation, gravity, and the geometry of the world itself. And even then, Earth is not a perfect object. It bulges at the equator, mountains rise, ocean trenches plunge deep below sea level, tides move, tectonic plates drift, and the shape of the planet changes over time. The real Earth is not simple. It is alive with motion. Your maps, your flights, your satellites, and the navigation in your phone all depend on understanding the real shape of the planet. Modern life does not merely survive on a round Earth model. It works because that model matches reality. And that is the real revelation. The most important question is not whether Earth is flat. It is how we learned the truth. Because science does not ask us to believe blindly. It asks us to observe carefully, test honestly, and follow the evidence even when it contradicts what feels obvious. If Earth were flat, the world might feel easier to imagine, but reality is far more astonishing. We live on a world shaped by gravity, motion, light, and time, complex enough to confuse the eye, yet consistent enough to reveal its truth to anyone willing to look closely. If you enjoyed this journey, watch the next video, because the next question may be even stranger than this one. And subscribe to the channel for more cinematic documentaries that challenge the way you see the world.